What's up, everyone? These are turning out good. Really good. This SEM clear coat white, perfect for the zigzags. I mean, you guys tell me. Those look pretty legit, huh? I think so. My PSA for this project is don't spend $500 on zigzag floor mats. I got these off a seller in California off Instagram for 40 bucks. And sure, I spent all day. Legit, I started at 9 a.m. It's almost 4 o'clock here. And I just did the zigzags. I'm waiting on Amazon to deliver the black that I need. And I'm gonna have to retape all this back off and do the black here. But legitimately, I should have some brand new looking zigzag floor mats for $40 plus $24 for 2 cans of spray paint. And like legit haven't even used a quarter of this can. So I don't know. I can't imagine spending over $300 on zigzag floor mats. It's not warranted if you can find a set that isn't completely trashed and somebody's willing to part with it, because the zigzags look 100 times better than what they did look like. And once I redo the black here, I mean, it's gonna look even better and brand new. And this is the same material that I used on my carpets in here, which it's really hard to see, but you can kind of see like right in here. Like this is held up fantastic. Same kind of stuff. If you just spend a little bit of time, you can make these worthwhile and you don't have to break the bank for them. So we're going to pick this vlog up in part 2 when I'm able to get the black that goes along with this stuff to finish this passenger side floor mat. And it should look money. Absolutely fantastic. So, till next vlog, when we pick this back up, maybe in 2021. I don't know when this other spray can's gonna show up. It's supposed to be here on the 24th. It's still not here, and it's the 27th, so we'll see. But I'm hella pumped how this turned out. So, all right, guys. Till next time. Peace.